kind of what today's session meant.
Well, today basically the commission upheld our previous decision on the close date. And I think we felt like it was important to be consistent. The date is going to happen at some point in time, and we just felt like the overall weight was to go ahead and uphold Iowa law, which we believe is if you don't have a licensed QSO, you don't have a license to operate, and we're going to issue an order kind of consistent with those findings.
Now, Bell has argued in the past and continued to argue that a lot of it is the commission's doing, the commission's advisement on how they went about their application. What's your response to that?
Well, we think Iowa law is pretty clear that one of the fundamental requirements is that you have an operating agreement with a qualified nonprofit, and that simply is not the case with Bell. And we allowed them to continue to operate because we thought we were doing the right thing in terms of the employees and so forth. But ultimately, it's got to come to an end, and we have found consistently that they are not meeting the requirements to operate, and that ultimately this has to come to an end. And whether it's the order that we issued or some future date, it's a hard decision, but it's got to happen. And so we just want to be consistent with our prior rulings.